Good evening, everyone. I hope you had a very nice trading day today. Let's start off with Nifty and observe what happened. Nifty started off today, with a slight up, and then it started coming down consistently. And throughout the day, it was falling, and then there was a retracement, and then it gave a negative close. So there was a huge fall today of about 200 points, and a similar pattern was observed in Bank Nifty as well. But before we get into the Bank Nifty analysis, let's talk about how you could have played today. There was a zone that formed in this area that is between 18165 and 18150. And I was telling my streamers that if it is going to break, then it's going to be a bigger fall, and exactly as it happened. And then there were also some sort of retracement that happened. Again, I made a point here. If the market retraces to this level, you can initiate PE position, and then people took some nice PE positions and booked their profit. And I was not playing in Nifty because I work only with Bank Nifty, and I will show how I got my entries and exit today in Bank Nifty. But before that, I will also discuss now about what might happen tomorrow. Considering that it is an expiry, it is largely going to be a range bound day in the first half, and then we might expect some sort of directions playing in. So let's see the FASP levels for Nifty tomorrow. This is the T7 targets on both the sides. The lower edge of it is at 17,754 and the higher side is about 18,406. So if you're a writer in the way, as soon as the market opens, you can write both these T7 positions of next week because there will be no premium left in the current week. You can write next week premium, next week expiry, and then collect the premiums that would come on the way for next 3 hours. Then exit the trade because there could be some sort of direction. Most likely, it is going to be a downtrend. Since we had a fantastic down close today, it might continue tomorrow as well. So if direction is going to take place, then we may be risking our writing positions. So that's the reason it's safe to exit the position around 12:30 around the time. So this is the setup. If you're a buyer, then wait for T3 opportunities whenever market is T3 or even T4 ranges. Then you can take reverse positions. Particularly if it is on the higher side, you can comfortably take reverse positions. That is to take PE positions. But lower side, if you're taking a T3, keep T4 as stop loss. If you're entering a T4, then keep T5 as stop loss because if it is going to take a downtrend, then the fall could be pretty big, and you should always play with strict stop loss as a option buyer. So that's the update about Nifty. Let's now explore Bank Nifty and then check what happened throughout the day. Uh, so let me just pull in Bank Nifty quickly. Bank Nifty had a similar start to the day, like it made a high and then it started making newer lows with every passing hour. And then as soon as it reached here, there was a retracement, and then we had a close towards low of the day. Then what I did here was I was having a neutral view in the morning and then playing both the sides. As soon as the market reached here, I was entering into a CE position, hoping it to retrace back and go higher. But unfortunately, what happened? Market kept coming down, and I have made some sort of similar, zone here. And once it broke, I was bearish, which I again intimated during the live stream for all the viewers, and they also saw that the levels were breaking down. I immediately switched from my CE position to PE position. Initially, I was at a loss of about 40K. Then quickly this fall gave me that money. In fact, I made some good profit. Overall, it was about 24K that I made today. Very nice pattern. And then there was some opportunities. Again, I drew some levels here. And then it kept falling. So a lot of good trades that was done today. And this is what I was mentioning in yesterday's video, until the bank Nifty, clears this zone of uh, 43,410 to 43,630. Unless that level is cleared, I am bearish. That's what I said in the video. And exactly the market fell from that level. Now, what we can expect tomorrow? Let's look at the FASP levels to get idea. Again, if you look at this, the 7 targets on the lower side and the higher side, lower side we have at 42,408, on the higher side 43,560. So if you are a writer, what you can do is you can write T7 positions on both the sides of next week expiry and wait for the premium collection for next 3 hours. And if you're a buyer, then wait for the levels. Any rise will be sold off, and there will be huge resistance at these levels once again. So market or Bank Nifty for me would be still bearish. Uh, Keeping the short-term view in perspective, it is going to be bearish. So any upward moves that it makes, we can comfortably take position, but then you can initiate with strict stop loss. If you are entering a T2, keep T3 as stop loss, T3 then T4 as stop loss, and so on. Just keep one level above as stop loss, and then keep looking for the lower levels as target. And as it crosses the lower levels, you can start trailing, and you can expect it to reach till pivot. So that should be the game plan if you're a buyer. So tomorrow being a Thursday, we can expect market to be extremely range bound in the first half and expect some direction by 1:15 or so on. And latest, it can take some directions at around 2:30 also. So it could be a very big writer's day. So let's see what happens, and let me know how you find this insights, and all the very best for tomorrow. Thanks.